Good morning children, this is the 7th chapter metric measures. In that today we are going to learn how we can convert capacities, units of capacities. So you know the 1 liter is the 1000 milliliter. How we have converted in the weight, no? Same we have to convert in the capacity also, because there also 1000 gram is the 1 kg and here also 1000 milliliter is the 1 liter. So same method we have to follow. So for converting from liter to milliliter we have to multiply by 1000, and from converting from milliliter to the liter we have to divide by 1000. Liter is the biggest unit and the milliliter is the smallest unit, so you have to multiply by 1000, and milliliter is the smallest unit and liter is the biggest unit, so you have to divide by 1000. So here I am solving exercise 7.5 some examples. So first question is the convert into milliliter. This they had given in the liter and the milliliter, we have to convert it into the milliliter. So liter is the biggest unit and milliliter is the smallest unit. So while converting from liter to the milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000. So 5 into 1000 plus 250. So 5000 plus 250, that is 5250 ml. Yes. So here 5 is there in liter and 250 is there in ml. So this first we have to convert it into the milliliter. Then after that you should add this milliliter. So 5 liter is the 5000 milliliter. 5000 milliliter plus 250 milliliter is the totally 5250 ml. So now 19 liter and 660 ml is there. So 19 into 1000 plus 660. So finally 19,660 ml. So like this we can convert the units from liter to the milliliter. One more example. Here 8 liter 88 milliliter is there. Directly I can write 8 liter is the 8 into 1000, that is 8088 ml. 88 plus we have 88, this we have to add here. So 8088 ml is the answer. So like this we can convert from bigger unit to the smaller unit. Bigger unit is the liter and smaller unit is the milliliter. So like this we can convert. One more example. Here we are converting liters and milliliters. It is there in the milliliters and this we are converting into the liters and milliliters. So this ml is the smaller unit. So we are converting smaller units to the bigger unit. We have to divide by 1000. So 1000 divided by 6000. That is the 6 answer. 1006 or 6000. It will take more time now. So 6 liter and 0 milliliter. It will take more time. So what I will do here, I am going to give one easy method. How we have done in the weight, same we have to do here. An example I am taking here, that is 286 milliliter is there. This we are converting into the liters and milliliters. Here I am not going to divide by 1000. I will separate 1s, 10s, 100 numbers in one side and 1000 place number and 10,000 place number other side. So what answer will come now? This is the liter and this is the milliliter. 28 liter 286 ml. So like this if you separate, you can write very easily liters and milliliters. Instead of doing division, we can separate like these numbers and we can write the answer as in liters and the milliliters. So like this you can convert the units from liters to the milliliters and milliliters to the liters. Thank you children.